Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to write the letter E. First we will write capital E. As you all remember, capital E or any capital letter is written in the first 3 lines. We have 4 lines in our English notebook. We are going to write only in the first 3 lines for the capital letter. Standing line. On the first line, a small horizontal line. Second line, third line. This is our capital E. Again, let's see. Standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. Easy. Now we are going to write small e or cursive E. We start from the third line with a tiny curve like this. We go up, make a circle and come down. This is small e or cursive E. Again, let's see. We start with a small curve. We go up and we roll down and out. Once more, let us see. Tiny curve. Go up, roll down and out. This is how we write small e. This is E, E, E and E. But what is the sound that it makes? The sound is E. 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 So we are going to practice one whole page of capital and small e, and when we are writing we are going to make this sound. Repeat with me. E. 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 Right? Okay, bye.